Morning all. Well, I'm not away camping in case you think I am, because I'm in the tent. I haven't got an issue with it, but I suddenly thought of something the other day, so I've put the tent up to check it out. I will do a video on it. Well, I am doing a video on it, and I'll sort that out once I've finished it. Well, what's been happening over the past month? Not a lot. Still not heard from the hospital on my hip, although I did get an email off them the other day, and I got quite excited about that. Well, when I opened the email, it was just an appointment for a pre-op. So, a pre-op for my gallbladder, which, well, I won't have, because if I have that, well, I'm hoping to get my hip done before I have that done. So, yeah, so we'll ignore that. Well, we won't. We're waiting for them to get back to us so I can explain the situation, because I think if I just cancel it, they wipe you off their list again. So yeah, so we won't bother with that. What else? Oh, I got, well, quite depressing really. I sent off for my my passport. Was due to expire in June or July, I think it was. So I thought, well, ideal time to do it now while we're not going anywhere. And well, came back, look, miserable. It's all blue now, but luckily we've still got a European passport. So yeah, quite depressing to get a blue passport, but hey, as I say, it doesn't matter to me too much. I might try and go away again, possibly. I just thought it's getting warmer, so perhaps I can start wearing flip-flops. I might try cycling in my flip-flops. I'm usually quite comfortable cycling in them, and I don't know, maybe just that difference in height between them and my trainers might make a bit of a difference and possibly help with the pain in my hip. I shall see, but yeah, I think it's got to be worth a try. Definitely getting a bit boring being at home all the time. I've updated the website. If I continue doing any more, I'll probably end up blooming crashing the thing and ruining it. So yeah, can't think of any more to do on that. But we've updated a few of the pictures on the website as well. On some of my YouTube videos. Yeah, I've got loads of things that I do need to do around the house, but everything's just too painful. To be honest, the only time I'm really comfortable is when I'm lying down. I'm alright at the moment, sitting here, because it's early in the morning, and well, we not long ago took our medication, so they're probably at their peak. But yeah, I've done some gardening the other day, apart from cutting myself everywhere. Yeah, it took a day or so to recover after that. And oh yeah, I took another ride out Aldwick Way on that last video that I done. I just wanted to go for a little ride, and blimey, I didn't even get as far as I did last time before I was in a lot of pain, and blimey, I had to come home and go to bed. I was in so much pain. But yeah, right, I think I'm going to move inside because it's just starting to rain, and well, we'll get wet going back indoors, so I shall stop there and head back indoors. One thing I did forget to mention, after my little trip where I tried to go away, I decided to phone the hospital after that. Wish I never now. Well, after speaking to a couple of people, I eventually got through to admissions, I think it is, and, well, they reckon, well, May, June, which, blimey, yeah, which will probably be more June than May, although, on the bright side, we're halfway through April, so May isn't that far away, although I've not had a date through yet. So, well, we live in hope that maybe the next time I speak to you, I'll be recovering. Who knows? Right. Well, I can't think of anything else to say. I don't think anything else has happened. Anything else that has happened, I'll put in my monthly update on the website. So, until the next time, goodbye.